Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a pineapple cheesecake. First line your tin base. I'm using cling film. Now mix the crushed biscuits and batter together. Add the mixture to the tin, spread it evenly and then put it in the fridge. Add cream cheese to the mixer and mix it well. Now gradually add the icing sugar. Add pineapple essence. You can also add any food colouring you like, and then add double cream. Mix it until it's thick and creamy. Drain and empty the pineapple tin, then chop it up into little pieces. You can also use fresh pineapple. Add the pineapple to the cheesecake mixture. Give it a little stir. Add the mixture to the tin. Spread the mixture evenly. Keep the cheesecake in the fridge at least 2 hours before serving. I use cake sprinkles to decorate. I really hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more. I upload every week. Bye!